Jia hakajing sumar ya kini kibapang COVID-19 but haden bengi iru babon bah haki private hospital kibale se kabil jongki but katu ka MHIS ka bengi ai mangi kamla ban cover teng watang siteng ru lada kadei la se sispa tengka teng MHIS ka jos tangkum hanru pho tengka nang ta sau pho tengka pada gap siu na kapla lajong te nakata kadaw nakaliang ka sarkar lengba jong ka MHIS ngila sim ya karai menta ka janmit bangin penha ya kani kador ka bengi ong ka seling kador ka seling ka ba ngila khen la pa ka ta kalti ban long maksimum te ya kani kador ngaka banitu ngibu haki santeli ki kategori kabenengkong kitu kibarung haki hospital bat kibom don kam ya kane ka oksigen kam kador kabagini ki hospital kim day ban charge palat ka jinglot na kan nyau hajar sisngi kabaar kitu ki general ward kiba don kam ya ka oksigen kador kam day ban palat ya ka khatwe hajar sanspa sisngi kabalai kitu kibedon kam ka ICU tangba light no ka ventilator khat saw hajar tengka sisngi na ta kawi pat ka ICU bat ka bomdon kam ya ka invasive ventilator khat pra hajar sisngi bat ka bas khaddu ka ICU bat ventilator hadu arpho hajar tengka sisgi ya kani kador ngin pentrekam nadu ka khatsan tarik ubnai agost artho ibat ngila khenji khenba hakani ka calculation ka ngisip ngila tikna bakatu ka out of pocket expenses kan meet ya kitu ke balik ban sumar hapo ki hospital nalor nangta in addition to that we have also decided today few mission and private hospitals government will also back up in the form of ramping up the ICU as well as oxygen plant. This also government has decided to extend backing up from the government because we really need to ramp up even the ICU, the ICU rooms in the state because we see the trend of today's positivity, the percentage is quite high and it may keep increasing, we don't know. Therefore, taking into this issue into consideration, so government is also decided to back up the private hospitals, including the mission hospitals, we call it, in the entire state of Meghalaya. So I would request, nakadaw ngakerpat, nakaliang jongi ka sarkar, bangin ni trelang ru bat kini ki private hospitals, ban penting na ba kajing tia kajaka sumar hadu ki ICU. Bangin don kejing duna nang ni sekmat hakaban sumar ya kini ki COVID patient keba man kasgi ka case ka kieu na kapor siya kapor.